To most people, they are a cosmetic issue, but in reality, varicose veins are a visual symbol of a deeper health issue. Venous insufficiency, more commonly referred to as vein disease, is a condition that affects more than 80 million Americans each year. If left untreated, it's a condition that can lead to more serious symptoms and vein disorders.
Patients often come in with a cluster of veins that are bulging that they see, often in the calf. The problem that led to that cluster of veins is often in their thigh, where they have a valve that has failed in the greater saphenous vein. And so it's a lot like having a wet spot on the wall that you do see due to a broken pipe in the ceiling that you don't see. And so until you fix the broken plumbing, it's not going to do any good to deal with the wet spot on the wall because it'll keep coming back. If those symptoms remain untreated, complications begin to ensue. Thrombophlebitis is probably the most common, where the veins clot, often after a long trip traveling. Sometimes people come in having bled from the varicose veins, and other people go on to get brown patches of skin, usually around their ankle, that eventually develop a sore centrally that won't heal, called a venostasis ulcer.
At his practice, Dr. Haney treats vein disease patients every day and is proficient in a technique called the venous closure procedure, which has an incredibly high success rate. A treated vein has a 98% chance of being closed forever.
The venous closure procedure is a very simple procedure whereby we use heat to close the affected vein that has the valvular dysfunction.
Dr. Haney and his staff provide the safest and most effective treatment options to people with varicose veins and more serious symptoms of vein disease. Diagnosis and treatment are fast, simple, and virtually painless, getting you back on your feet in no time.
Our mission is to provide the most up-to-date modern vein care that is least invasive, the most safe for the patient, and gets them back to their active lifestyle quickly. We want to heal their complications if they have ulcers or clots or bleeding, and stop those complications from occurring and get them back on their feet and back to what they enjoy doing.
Schedule an appointment with Dr. Haney today.